Hi, I'm Travis, and welcome to my closet. Today we're going to be reviewing a Coach product. Here I have the North-South Hybrid Pouch, and I'm going to have to read my notes for the full name. It's called a North-South Hybrid Pouch in Colorblock Signature Canvas with Coach Patch. This is a very beautiful product with some outstanding colors. It is meant to be attached to basically anything. You can attach this to your belt, which with these buckles here, you can get it on your belt, which will let it ride sideways, but then you can still get into this pocket, or you can attach it to the back of your backpack for more storage. Anything that you can think of, you can attach this to. And the reason why I say that is it also has a Carabiner clip, and that will allow you to attach it to more things or attach more things to it, like your keys. If you've got this riding on your waist and you want your keys hooked up to it, you can hook them up and have your keys dangling. This front pouch here zips down. It's really covered, isn't it? It doesn't even fully unzip. Let's see, let's try to get more unzippage to it. Okay. Well, that's a waste of a pocket right there, ladies and gentlemen. That is, I don't know what that's for. Oh, and it's tiny. It is really tiny. I mean, well, it's the depth. It's, I mean, you can, my fingers are right there. But, yeah, that's just for looks, so let's say, because with this lip, maybe put some spare money in there. That's about all I could see putting in there. But they did go to the effort of making the zipper look really, really stunning and beautiful. And even the zipper itself is red, or the teeth to the zipper. So it is aesthetically pleasing. Okay, we have the same zipper here with the same red, but also with red fabric to contrast that blue. And, okay, well maybe this is why we couldn't get into that pocket. It has its stuffing in it. So let's just throw that off to the side. It is just a big pouch. Nothing inside, as far as I can tell. Oh, but it's durable. You could tell that's fabric that's meant to take some beating. So this would be great for like attaching it somewhere to your bike or something and going mountain biking, or taking it out on a hike. And you could put some power bars or some trail mix in here. And this material, I mean, I wish you could feel it through the camera, because it's a real thick nylon, heavy duty grade material. So it's good that it's just a big opening, because that gives you the ability to just fill it to the brim with whatever you're looking to fill it with. But now that it's empty, let's retry this pocket real quick and see if it's as much of a waste as it was before. Well, not as much, but I mean, you can't get to it. These sides come down fully here, and you can't get to it. I'm guessing because this is such a rugged piece that it's weatherproofing. If you look back at my mountain ranger bag, mountaineering, excuse me, it had a similar flap that was a little difficult to get into, but it was also meant to prevent rain from getting into it. So it's a really good piece. I use it at least a couple of times a week. So we've got that. I don't know if I showed you the patch yet. There's the Coach patch. And besides that, we've just got a little tab here where you can attach more stuff. Some tabs here on the side. The eyelets are so tiny. I mean, you can't even see me opening the eyelet, that I don't know what purpose this would serve, but they're there. Let me try to hook it to my belt. I'll do a close-up so that you can see if it's difficult or not. And by the way, I'm not going to do a review on it, but this is my new Coach belt. It is extremely beautiful. Alright, let's just try sliding it through. Oh yeah, that works. And definitely not something I think you would sport with a suit like this, but at the same time, let's just get an idea for what it looks like. Alright. Fix my belt. There we go. Actually, yeah. For just a side pocket thing, that's quite nice. The only problem is like we talked about a couple of times, this pocket's useless. And if you open up this pocket, you might be dropping some stuff. But, yeah, you can kind of angle it and... Oh, I get it. It's so you can reach in with your opposite hand. That's genius. I love that. So, this would be good for even like a cell phone. A lot of people like to keep a cell phone on their hip. And if you don't have like a clip that you like, or if you want to keep it a lot more secure, you could put it in here. This is quite a nice piece. You can be the judge if it's suit worthy or not, but other than that, I'm quite pleased with it. When you sit down, nope, not really in the way. You can still get comfortable. Anyways, I'm Travis, and thanks for hanging out in my closet. I'll see you next time. Bye. Hi guys, quick announcement. I now have a Tumblr and an Instagram. You can find me at Travis WTMC. That's Travis WTMC. Come over, drop a like, follow me. I'll be doing updates when I'm not doing posts, and I think I'm going to move Suit of the Day over to that instead of taking up time in the reviews. Anyways, thanks again. Oh, and Gunner. This is Gunner. Moo Moo. Oh, this is Moo Moo. All right, guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you, honey. Bye.